Good evening, this is Eric Kolodny with the Epiphany Trading Markets Wrap-Up for Wednesday, January 26th. Dow today finished ahead 8 1/4, closing 11,985. NASDAQ was up 20 at 2739.5. The NASDAQ was fairly indicative of the overall strength. The S&P up about 5 points also. Seems like 12,000 was a bit of a ceiling for the Dow, but there's no real reason for it to have sold off the way it did, with the exception of a few financials that were weak. Goldman Sachs, Bank of America to name two. But the strength was palpable once again. The Fed didn't say anything that would dissuade one from investing in the immediate term, saying the $600 billion program will continue at least through June, and all to status quo. So for tomorrow, earnings will once again absolutely dominate the landscape, and it'll probably be a generally positive day based on indications after hours, although depending on the amount of snow that Metropolis gets tonight, it could be a little slower than today was. There are a lot of things to look at for tomorrow morning. They include GILD, DV, KEYN, FTNT, ATI, COP, NATI, PJC, ROK, and JEC. They all closed in their highs for posting earnings today. WIN, MOS, X, POT, AAPL, Joy G, FCX, WLT. They all closed near their highs today. NFLX, QCOM, SYMC, CTXS, AMLN, NE, TSCO, HRC, and LSI are all showing higher earnings, and AMB and PLD are rumored to be on the verge of a merger, according to the Wall Street Journal. On the negative side, CA closed near a low after posting earnings. SBUX, ALGN, MMI, MUR, VAR, RYL, RHI, PMTC, ETFC, SHOR, CVD, and QTM are all trading lower in earnings, and LDK and PSTI announced share offerings. It's a busy one for the earnings calendar tomorrow. I'll go over some of the highlights right now. The full calendar will be on the blog in the morning. It includes AVT, BAX, BC, BMY, CAT, CELG, CL, CRUS, CY, DHI, DHR, ETN, HSC, JBLU, LLL, LLY, LMT, MO, NOK, NUE, NVS, OXPS, PG, POT, RCL, RTN, SWK, T, TWC, TYC, UA, and ZMH. After hours, I take a breath here. AMZN, CB, CPWR, DRIV, GMCR is supposed to be out, KLAC, MCRS, MSFT, MWW, MYGN, QLGC, RMBS, RVBD, SNDK, TSRA, VRSN, and VSEA. Again, full list on the blog in the morning. With that, wish all of you a good night, and good luck trading tomorrow.